WIS News right after the 9th of December.
Right on, HI VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder, this term you must wear your sun hats at playtimes and lunchtime. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
And the UV forecast for today peaked at around lunchtime. So, nā potae koutou.
And Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is potae, which is te reo for hat.
As in Taku, potae, whero, my red hat.
Alright then, okay. A big kia to those students returning sport gears to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and interval. Ka pai koutou.
Library news. Remember, all books due in. Drop them into the library desk. Kia ora.
Touch news. Panthers, you have a meeting on the library steps at interval. Kia ora.
Okay, that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo.
Harara and share the shed, Winton School.